What's up, guys? It's Collinmgray, the Swole Nurse, and you gotta learn to open up your heart. Back at it again with another video. 6:11 in the morning. Today is a bodybuilding or accessory day of the 365 Strong program. But before that, I want to encourage you guys to open up your heart a little bit. What I mean by that is, let me tell you a story. Recently, I had a job at a nursing home. We take all sorts of patients in long-term care facilities, including psychiatric patients as well, people that have problems with dementia and whatnot and so forth. I get there my first couple days on the job, and I have a certain patient at the end of the hallway that everybody tells me is just crazy. Don't worry about her. Don't feed into her. If you let her rope you into her nonsense, you'll never get out of there, and she'll have you run in circles for the rest of your days here. I said, okay. So I go in there and I talk to her, and she does have her little quirks and things of that nature, but I listen to her. She won't eat. She hasn't eaten in 3 months. She's only drinking a liquid diet. She's got all these little mannerisms that she has to go through on a daily basis just to get through the day. Real bad OCD. After a couple of months of just talking to her, just being her friend, she started eating again. She went from long-term care to assisted living. She went from assisted living to non-assisted living. And she ended up getting remarried at 80 years old. The point of the story is, don't just dismiss somebody as crazy. Sometimes they might just need somebody to talk to. Sometimes they might just need a friend. So I encourage you guys to open up your heart a little bit to people. Just because somebody's a little weird, somebody makes you uncomfortable, they might actually be really good people. Enough chit chat. Let's mix up that pre-workout. Let's get to the gym. So I guess that technically wraps up week 1 since we officially started the program on Monday. This is a bodybuilding / accessory day, so you're going to have to just go with the content from here on out for the next 20 weeks. Every Sunday is going to be me chatting about some stuff, and pretty much the same exact routine. So I apologize if the gym footage seems a little monotonous, but it is what it is. It's very good for blood flow. It's very good for recovery, and it allows me to work on a little bit of the beach muscles. I'm going to finish this Finish Line by Iforce Nutrition. I'm still stuck on the very cherry lime. We have 3 other flavors, but I've been drinking this for 5 months, and I just can't get away from it. It's awesome. Absolutely amazing. 20% off link down in the description. Use code SWOLE20 at checkout to get 20% off of your entire Iforce Nutrition order. Usually that saves you around 15 bucks or so on the supplement. So really, really good. Once again, this is Colin G, the Swole Nurse. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow those social media links down below. Share the video if you feel like it could help somebody out. And I'll catch you guys later in another one. Peace!